AI is moving faster than ever. But did you know there are powerful AI tools you can use right now completely free? Today I'll show you 5 free AI tools in 2025 that will save you time, make you more creative, and even grow your YouTube channel. Stick around until the end, because tool number 5 is the one I use daily and it feels almost illegal to use for free. Tool 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your all-in-one assistant for writing, research, brainstorming, and content ideas. Example: ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube script outline. Benefit: saves hours of work. Tool 2. Canva. With Canva's free AI features, you can create thumbnails, posters, and even generate images, making a futuristic thumbnail in under 2 minutes. Benefit: perfect for non-designers. Tool 3. Pictory. Want to turn your text into video automatically? Pictory does exactly that. Paste a script, right pointing arrow, get an AI video with captions. Benefit: create shorts or explainer videos in minutes. Tool 4. Runway ML. Free plan. Runway ML is an AI video editor that lets you remove backgrounds, create AI effects, and even generate videos from text. Show an AI-generated clip or background removal. Benefit: pro-level editing without being an editor. Tool 5. CapCut. CapCut is free and insanely powerful for YouTube Shorts. It auto-generates captions, has trending templates, and is beginner-friendly. Add auto captions plus quick transitions. Benefit: perfect for viral short-form content. So today we covered 5 free AI tools: ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, Runway, and CapCut. The best part? You don't need money to start creating. The only thing stopping you from growing on YouTube is consistency. Which AI tool will you try first? Comment below. And if you want more free AI hacks, subscribe now. I post new tips every week.